All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. Everybody, come on in. We are here for the installation of EndNote software. And so I went to the library page. I guess I should have showed that. We'll do that real quick. So from the library website, let me make this big so you can see it clearly. All right, you're going to go MUSC, click on software downloads. From software downloads, you'll come here. Once you log in, this is what you'll get. Scroll all the way down until you see EndNote for Mac. Click EndNote for Mac. And I'm going to do the installation with you. You're going to do EndNote Mac, regular download. You see it's taking this time. So when this finishes, then we'll be able to use EndNote. And I'll show you a couple of ways to use EndNote and then also with Word. In fact, I'm going to pause that. AMA. And now it gave us the output style on the bottom. And you just click download. And from downloading it, it uploads it here. You want to save as AMA 11th, save.